Hello students. Now in this one, 7 people A, B, C, D, F and G have phones of different brands, and each one of them is from a different city. Now it belongs to which category? Distribution. Now in this distribution, now we need to fix the persons. Now if you fix the persons here, చెప్పండి ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు? 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 persons A, B, C, D, F and G must be fixed like this. Then after fixing these 7 persons A, B, C, D, F, G, then there are two different parameters. One is the phone and the other one is what? One is the phone and the other one is related to the state. Phone and the state are the two categories given. There is nothing but the parameter. Phone and the state. They get the phone and the state is given. Now coming to condition number 1. Now in this condition number 1, A is from Gujarat, D has a Sony phone. A is from Gujarat, state is Gujarat, and now this D has a Sony phone. Now this is Sony. These two are different information. The one from Rajasthan has HTC. HTC and Rajasthan must be together. అందుకు ఫోన్ కింద కేటగిరీ కింద ఫోన్ రాసుకోండి, స్టేట్ కేటగిరీ కింద స్టేట్. హెచ్డిసి అండ్ రాజస్థాన్ మస్ట్ బి టుగెదర్. ఈ హ్యాజ్ ఎ లెనోవో. ఈ లెనోవో అండ్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ కేరళ. నౌ ఈ హ్యాజ్ ఎ లెనోవో and is from Kerala state. B does not have a Samsung, Micromax and HTC. B, Samsung, Micromax and HTC are ruled out to this B. And B is not from Orissa, Maharashtra, Punjab. Orissa, Maharashtra and Punjab, these two are ruled out to this B. B, Samsung mobile లేదు, మైక్రోమాక్స్ లేదు, హెచ్డిసి లేదు, సోనీ లేదు, లెనోవో లేదు. 5 ఆర్ రూల్డ్ అవుట్. ఇంకా 2 మాత్రమే మిగిలాయి. నౌ టు దిస్ వన్ బి, ఒరిస్సాకు చెందలేదు, మహారాష్ట్రకు చెందట్లేదు, పంజాబ్కి చెందట్లేదు, గుజరాత్ అండ్ కేరళ కూడా కాదు. అండ్ హెచ్డిసి రాజస్థాన్ కాబట్టి హెచ్డిసి కాదు కాబట్టి రాజస్థాన్ కూడా కాదు. క్లియర్? నో ఇక్కడ హెచ్డిసి రాకూడదు కాబట్టి రాజస్థాన్ కూడా రాకూడదు. గుజరాత్, కేరళ, ఒరిస్సా, మహారాష్ట్ర, పంజాబ్ రాకూడదు, రాజస్థాన్ కూడా రాకూడదు. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 రాకూడదు. Now we are left with only 1. What is that one we have? And that is from Bihar. Bihar is the only city left out. Remaining 6 were ruled out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 పోయి. రాజస్థాన్ కూడా కాదు, ఎందుకు హెచ్డిసి కాదు కాబట్టి. And next one, F is not from Maharashtra and Rajasthan. F, Maharashtra ruled out and Rajasthan ruled out, and Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Kerala, Bihar, 4 పోయి. Isn't it? Bihar, Kerala, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Now we are left with the remaining 3. Next one, G, A and F do not have Micromax. A cannot have Micromax, and G, F and G also cannot have Micromax, and F and G cannot have Micromax. A, F and G cannot have Micromax, and A, F and G. C is not from Maharashtra and Orissa, and C, Maharashtra and Orissa now ruled out for this C. Maharashtra and Orissa, Maharashtra, Orissa cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be, Maharashtra cannot be. Then next one, F does not have a Samsung and a Nokia. F does not have Samsung and Nokia phone. Now this is what the information given. Okay, now with the help of this one, now we need to identify where should this HDC and Rajasthan. Rajasthan ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్, హెచ్డిసి ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఇక్కడ హెచ్డిసి ఉండకూడదు. ఇక్కడ హెచ్డిసి వస్తే ఇక్కడ రాజస్థాన్ రావాలి. Isn't it? There is a possibility or not? Yes, there is a possibility for HDC and Rajasthan. ఇక్కడ హెచ్డిసి వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఇక్కడ హెచ్డిసి వస్తే ఇక్కడ రాజస్థాన్ రాకూడదు. హెచ్డిసి ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు దీస్ ఫోన్స్, సోనీ, లెనోవో అయిపోయింది, 2 phones అయిపోయినాయి. Next one, Samsung, Micromax, HDC. Isn't it? Hence 3 plus 2, 5 phones happen. ఇంకేం మిగిలే చెప్పండి. Micromax cannot be here, Micromax cannot be here. Isn't it? Micromax cannot be F, Micromax cannot be G. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, Micromax F దగ్గర ఉండు. F కాదు, G కాదు, E కాదు, D కాదు, B కాదు, A కాదు. Hence Micromax must be C. Now if this is a Micromax, HDC ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? హెచ్డిసిఏ కాదు, ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ రాజస్థాన్ కాదు. హెచ్డిసి కెనాట్ బి ఏబిసిడిఈ కాదు. ఎఫ్ అండ్ జీలో అండ్ ఇక్కడ రాజస్థాన్ కాదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ హెచ్డిసి రాకూడదు. హెన్స్ జీ ఈస్ హెచ్డిసి. ఇఫ్ జీ ఈస్ హెచ్డిసి అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ రాజస్థాన్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ గుజరాత్, బీహార్, కేరళ, రాజస్థాన్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మహారాష్ట్ర కెనాట్ బి హియర్. మహారాష్ట్ర అండ్ ఒరిస్సా కెనాట్ బి హియర్. మహారాష్ట్ర ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు. హెన్స్ వేర్ షుడ్ దిస్ మహారాష్ట్ర? మహారాష్ట్ర మస్ట్ బి డి and D is Maharashtra. And if D is Maharashtra, next one Orissa ikkada undakoodu. 1 2 3 4 5, hence Orissa is here. And if Orissa is here, then what is the other state? Bihar, Maharashtra, Kerala, Orissa, Rajasthan, and finally left over is what? Punjab. Now C is from Punjab. C is Punjab. Next one coming to these phones. Now Micromax, Sony, Lenovo, HTC అయిపోయింది. And next one Micromax, Samsung cannot be F, cannot be B, hence A is Samsung. As A is Samsung, now this F cannot be Nokia, hence B is Nokia. Then what is the other phone left over here? Lava. Now F is Lava. Now this is about question number 66 to 70. 7 persons, 7 different phones and belong to 7 different states. 66 to 70. Then 71 to 75 is based on input and output. How many elements are there? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 9 steps were there. That means in each step exactly 1 element is arranged. Now if you check out the logic here. Logic check cheskorante input ni final output ni compare cheskondi. Input and step 9 is the final output. Because step 9 lo ela unnai 15, 24, 49, 51, 83. All the given numbers are arranged in the ascending order. And again the words, if you observe here, fail, great, hush, see, yes, all the words are arranged in the alphabetical order. First all the numbers in the ascending order, next all the words in the ascending order. Then how these elements were changed? First change upon great, 15, C, 24, fail, yes, 51, hush, 49, 83. Highest number at the first place, last place arranges. All the remaining were shifted to the next position. 83 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది. 83 తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చెప్పండి? ఫెయిల్. నా హైయెస్ట్ వర్డ్, లీస్ట్ వర్డ్ ఫెయిల్ వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 83 ఫెయిల్. ఇలా వచ్చిన తర్వాత 83కి ముందు నెంబర్ ఏం చెప్పండి? అండ్ ప్రీవియస్ నెంబర్ టు 83 is 51. అందుకు స్టెప్ 3లో 83కి ముందు నెంబర్ 51. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ స్టెప్ 4లో ఫెయిల్కి నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి? గ్రేట్. అందుకు ఫెయిల్ తర్వాత గ్రేట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అండ్ 51కి ముందు నెంబర్ ఏం చెప్పండి? ముందు నెంబర్ 49. Next one grade ki next number hush, and in the next one 49 ki mundu number 24. Next one hush ki next number C, and finally now 49 ki mundu number em cheppandi 24, and 24 ki mundu number 15, and C ki next number next word S. Ikkada nunchi numbers anni in the descending order arrange chesam. 83 and 51, 49, 24 and 15. Now the words fail, great, hush in the towards right hand side. This is how these elements were arranged in these steps. And all the questions are based on a single input. You have to work out all the steps in this. Now 71 to 75 based on this one. Then question number 76 to 80. Now in this 76 to 80, 7 people J, K, L, M and O and P like different TV channels, 7 different channels. And each one of them lives in a different city, isn't it? Again this also comes under the same category as our question number 66 to 70. This is same type. Now JK, LM and OP 7 persons unnaru kabatti distribution 2 parameter JKL, M, N, O, N. Now all together there are some 6 persons JKL, M and OP 7 persons. Now these 7 persons are seated in a row. 7 persons JK, LM and O and P, they are seated in a row. They like different TV channels and they are from different cities. Now first TV channels is 1 parameter. Now channel is the first parameter, and the next one is, and what is the next one here? The city to which they belong. City. Then coming to the first information, M likes star and lives in Nagpur. Information chala clear ga ichcharu. M likes star. Now channel is star and lives in what? Lives in Nagpur. M star and lives in Nagpur. J likes studio. J likes what? J likes studio and lives in, J likes studio and does not live in Chennai, and does not live in Chennai, hence Chennai is ruled out. Does not live in Chennai. Chennai, Patna and Jaipur. Chennai ledu, Patna ledu, Jaipur ledu. Chennai, Patna and Jaipur is ruled out. Chennai, Patna and Jaipur. Nagpur kuda kaadu because star is Nagpur. Kanuka this J does not belong to these four cities: Nagpur, Jaipur, Chennai, Patna. And next one, Patna and Jaipur. Next one, the one who likes G lives in Gurgaon. Now G lives in Gurgaon and G and Gurgaon must be together. As G and Gurgaon is here, as it is studio, it cannot be Gurgaon. Gurgaon kuda kaadu. Gurgaon, Nagpur, Jaipur, Chennai, Patna kaadu. 5 cities hellipoyayi. Now we are left with the remaining 2 cities. What are the 2 remaining cities here? Mumbai and Delhi. అయితే ముంబై అవ్వాలి లేకపోతే ఢిల్లీ అవ్వాలి. అండ్ ద వన్ హూ లైక్స్ జీ లివ్స్ ఇన్ గుర్గాన్. ఎన్ డస్ నాట్ లైక్ లైఫ్, జీ అండ్ సోనీ. ఎన్ లైఫ్ లేదు అండ్ జీ అండ్ సోనీ కూడా కాదు అండ్ స్టూడియో స్టార్ కూడా కాదు అండ్ 5 ఆర్ నాట్ రిలేటెడ్ టు దిస్ ఎన్. అండ్ ఎన్ డస్ నాట్ లివ్ ఇన్ ముంబై అండ్ చెన్నై. ఎన్ ముంబై ఈజ్ రూల్డ్ అవుట్ అండ్ చెన్నై ఈజ్ ఆల్సో రూల్డ్ అవుట్. Neither Mumbai nor Chennai. N does not live in Mumbai and Chennai. P does not like G, Sony, Max and Life. And G, Sony, Max and Life కాదు, 4 కాదు. స్టార్ అండ్ స్టూడియో కూడా కాదు. మనకి 4 కాదు, ఈ 2 కాదు, మొత్తం 6 అయితే కాదు. Then what is the only thing left over here? Life is the only thing left over for this P. P does not like, Kef. Now Kef is the final thing left over. And P is Kef. P does not like this. The one who likes life does not live in Chennai. And life does not live in Chennai. The one who likes life does not live in Chennai. Hence life and Chennai cannot be together. Life cannot be Chennai. And L, O, P do not live in Chennai. L, O and P do not live in Chennai. L cannot be Chennai, O cannot be Chennai and P cannot be Chennai. Now P Chennai కాదు, O కాదు, N కాదు, M కాదు, L కాదు, J కాదు. Hence who belongs to Chennai? K belongs to Chennai. Okay, L, O, P do not live in Chennai. O does not live in Mumbai, Gurgaon, Delhi and Jaipur. O Mumbai కాదు, Gurgaon కాదు and Delhi కాదు, Jaipur కాదు, 4 cities కాదు, Chennai, Nagpur కూడా కాదు. And this O must be belongs to which one? O must be belongs to Patna. మిగిలిపోయింది ఒకటే సిటీ, ఏంటది? Patna. And so is Patna. And N does not, O does not live in Mumbai, Gurgaon, Delhi, Jaipur, Chennai, Nagpur. Hence O is Patna. N does not live in Jaipur. N does not live in Jaipur. Jaipur ఇక్కడ కాదని Chennai. N does not live in Jaipur. Now this is what the information given. Now ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ N స్టూడియో, స్టార్, కేఫ్ 3 కాదు, లైఫ్, జీ, సోనీ కూడా కాదు. ఈ 3 కాదు, ఈ 3 కాదు, 6 is not possible. Then what is the only thing left over here? This N belongs to Max. Studio, star, Max and కేఫ్. Then coming to this one, G is Gurgaon. G గుర్గాన్, ఇక్కడ జీ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. జీ వస్తే ఇక్కడ గుర్గాన్ రావాలి. జీ 4 ప్లేసెస్లో రాదు, ఇక్కడ కూడా రాదు. హెన్స్ ఎల్ ఈజ్ జీ. ఇఫ్ ఎల్ ఈజ్ జీ, నౌ దిస్ మస్ట్ బి గుర్గాన్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గుర్గాన్, స్టూడియో, జీ, స్టార్, మ్యాక్స్, కేఫ్. నౌ చెన్నై ఈజ్ నాట్ లైఫ్ అన్నా. నౌ చెన్నై ఇక్కడికి అప్పుడు లైఫ్ కెనాట్ బి హియర్. హెన్స్ ఓ ఈజ్ లైఫ్. స్టూడియో, జీ, స్టార్, మ్యాక్స్, లైఫ్, కేఫ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయింది అని చెప్పండి, సోనీ. నౌ కే ఈజ్ సోనీ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ వన్, సిటీస్ చెన్నై, గుర్గాన్, నాగ్పూర్, పాట్నా అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ముంబై అండ్ జైపూర్. నా ఇక్కడ చూడండి, Now, here in this one, Chennai and Patna cannot be here, isn't it? No. ఇక్కడ ముంబై కాదు, జైపూర్ కాదు. ముంబై కాదు, జైపూర్ కాదు కాబట్టి ఇంకేమని చెప్పండి. Now Delhi is left out. Here it must be Delhi. Then, if Delhi, Chennai, Gurgaon, Nagpur, Delhi, Patna అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా 2 cities మిగిలిపోయి, జైపూర్ అండ్ ముంబై. Now this person cannot be Jaipur. Jaipur ikkada kaadu kabatti this must be Mumbai. If J is Mumbai and now P is Jaipur. Clear? Now this is about question number 76 to 80. J, K, L, M, N, O and P. They likes different channels and belongs to different cities. And this is about question number 76 to 80. Clear? Then question number 81 to 85. R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y are seated around a circular table but not nested in the same order. How many persons are there? Altogether there are some 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 persons seated around a circular table but not nested in the same order. Only 2 persons face the center. 2 faces the center, 6 are away from the center. 2 facing the center and 6 are away from the center. V sits out to the right of Y. As V is seated out to the right of Y, the direction of V and Y is not given. Now let us take for example Y is here and Y is facing away from the center. That is the first quality. What is the second quality? Ekkadaina chusaranukoni there is no information about any person, isn't it? Now the one who sits second to the right of W faces outside another. And particular person manaki inward outward ekkada ivvaledu kabatti we are taking 2 different possibilities. And what are those 2 different possibilities we have? Y is away from the center. Inko case lo Y is facing towards the center. This one 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there are 8 persons. Now Y is facing towards the center. Then V sits out to the right of Y and V ikkada. V sits out to the right of Y. In this one Y is facing the center. V sits out to the right of Y. Only 2 people between V and S. V ki S ki madhya entamandi unnaru cheppandi 2 members. Itu pakku వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Hence 1 to S is here. Only 2 persons between V and S. Hence 1 to S is here. 2 persons between V and S. T sits second to the left of S. S ki second left lo T unnadu. If T S is facing the center, Y and T same place lo raval not possible. Hence S is away from the center. T sits second to the left of S. Now ikkada S facing towards the center anukunnappudu T and Y same place lo raval not possible. Hence here S is facing towards the center. If S is facing towards the center, even cheppandi T sits second to the left of S, appudu T ikkada vastund. Then immediate neighbors of S face outside. S pakkana unna వాళ్ళ neighbors iddaru outside, facing away from the center. Ikkada kuda immediate neighbors of S are facing away from the center. Immediate neighbors of S are facing away from the center, and R sits to the immediate left of X. R is to the immediate left of X and R and X must be adjacent to each other. Kanuka R and X ikkada undakoodu, kanuka ee rendu places lo undaali. X is not an immediate neighbor of Y. X ikkada undakoodu kabatti X ikkada, R ikkada. And R sits to the immediate left of X. R is to the immediate left of X, if X is away from the center, R will be here. Then ikkada chudandi, R and X must be in these 2 places. X is not an immediate neighbor of Y kabatti X ikkada raavali. X ikkada vaste R ikkada raavali. And R is to the immediate left of X and X is facing towards the center, then R is to the immediate left of X. But whereas in second case lo chudandi, how many persons are facing the center? S, Y and X. As of now 3 persons are center. Kani manaki only 2 persons are center undali, 3 undakoodu. Hence this case is ruled out. Now we have left with only this case, that is Y is away from the center. One of the immediate neighbors of U faces the center అన్న కనుక U ఈ 2 ప్లేస్లు ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు. అందులో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, both the neighbors of U are away from the center. కానీ మనకి ఇచ్చింది అంటే one of the neighbors of U facing towards the center అంటే, and S and T లో ఒకరు సెంటర్ ఫేస్ చేయాలి. S away from the center కాబట్టి T must be facing towards the center. And The one who sits second to the right of W. Finally గా మిగిలింది ఏంటి చెప్పండి, W. The one who sits second to the right of W అంటే R. R faces outside. Now R is facing away from the center. And the one who sits second to the right of W, W faces away from the center. Now tell me how many persons are away from the center? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 persons are away from the center. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence 2 persons inward, V is facing towards the center. Clear now? This is about question numbers 81 to 85. Then after this 81 to 85, next one 86 to 90. Now in this question numbers 86 to 90, there is some problem with the statement itself. రెండు స్టేట్మెంట్స్ మనకి ఇక్కడ తేడా ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. He is not going to UK. One who wears green is going slower than. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంకెక్కడ కంపారిజన్ లేదు. And both of them using the same number of vehicles అన్నాడు. Number of vehicles గురించి ఇంకెక్కడ మనకి ఇది లేదు. Hence there is a mismatch in the statement. ఓకే, నా ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్తో ఎంతవరకు మనం ఫిక్స్ చేద్దామో చూద్దాం. Now how many persons are there? 87 persons, A, B, C, D, E, F and Z, and they have different amounts, 1 lakh, 2 lakh and so on. Everyone is going to different countries and they are using different cars as well. And the colors also they have given. Hence what are the parameters we have? All together there are some 4 parameters. Avuna kada? First one what we need to identify? Now the amounts. Next one we need to identify country. Next one the car. The next one the color. Now A, B, C, D, E, F and Z ఇలా రాసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Hence all together there are some 7 persons. E, F and G are the 7 persons we have. And first one is the amount they have invested or have different amounts. They have different amounts 1, 2, 3 and so on up to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 6 ఒకటి లేదు కానీ 1 to 8 వరకు ఉన్నాయి. Then next one. Now these are the 7 persons we have. A to Z are the 7 persons. First we need to find out the amount. What are the amounts we have? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 8 are the amounts. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 are the amounts. The next one, next country. Now in this country, tell me what are the countries we have? And the countries are China and Japan. Now China, Japan, Pakistan, China, Japan, Pakistan, USA and USA, UK and South Africa and Brazil. Now these are the 7 countries we have. Now let us represent this one. ఎందుకంటే మొత్తం రాయొచ్చు అంత ప్లేస్ ఉండదు. And what is the next one here? The cars. What are the cars they are using here? Skoda and Toyota, BMW, Jaguar and Ford, Nissan and Duster. These are the 7 we have. And finally the colors. What are the colors we have? Black, blue and white, green. Black, blue, white, green, red, yellow and orange. These are the colors we have. Now first one is the amount they have and the next one is the country to which they going, isn't it? Second one is the country. Next one the car they are using. Let us write down the cars like this. Car they are using. And finally the color. Car and the color. Now first information. Each one of them wears a different color and so on. Different color shirts. He is not going to UK and not going on Nissan and Jaguar. Now regarding E. He is not going to UK and he is not going to UK. Now E country, UK is ruled out. He is not going to what? He is not going to UK. He is not going to UK and at the same time and he is not going on Nissan and Jaguar. Hence Nissan cannot be here and Jaguar cannot be here. N and J cannot be in these 2 places. Nissan and Jaguar. One who wear green color shirt is going slower than the one who is going to Japan. దీని నుంచి ఏం చెప్పండి. Now the one who is going to Japan is not wearing green color shirt. అదొక్కటే చెప్పొచ్చు మనం. And both of them using the same number of vehicles, same number of wheels. అన్ని కార్స్ మనకి 4 wheels 6 wheels మనకి ఎక్కడ చెప్పలేదు కనుక here there is a mismatch with the statement. ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉండుంటే మనకి డెఫినెట్గా వచ్చారు. Now person is going to Japan using Toyota. Now Japan, now what is the car he is using? Toyota. And who has 2 lakhs? Toyota. And the one who has 2 lakh is going to South Africa. Now 2 lakh person is going to South Africa, and one who is wearing blue colored shirt is going to China. Now China, and the one who is going to China is wearing blue colored shirt, and next one blue colored shirt. He is wearing either a black colored shirt and he is wearing black colored shirt. Now the color is clearly given, this is a black. Now this person is either the highest or the lowest amount, either 1 or 8. And person who is wearing white shirt is going on Ford. Now the car is Ford and the color is white. Ford and white is going on Ford but not to UK. But this person is not going to UK. And next one, D is going on Toyota with 1 lakh money. D is 1 lakh money. Now here it is 1 or 8. D is 1 lakh money already ichesar. Hence E cannot be 1 again. Hence E cannot be 1. Hence D is 1, E is 8. D is 1 and E is 8. Now D who is having is going on Toyota. Now the car he is using is Toyota. As it is Toyota, and this person must go to Japan. In the munde information, the one who is going to Japan is using Toyota, and but is not green color, and wearing red colored shirt. Now this person is red colored shirt, and person is orange colored shirt has 4 lakh. Now 4 lakh, now that is orange colored shirt, and one who has 3 lakh uses duster and is not going to China, and this person is not going to China. That is what the other information. B is going to Pakistan on a 4-wheeler. B is going to Pakistan. What is the country we have? The country is Pakistan. Now B is going to Pakistan on a 4-wheeler. B is going to Pakistan on a 4-wheeler, and F has 7 lakh. Now F, what is the amount we have? 7 lakh. F has 7 lakh is going to USA. Now what is the country? Country is USA. Country is USA. Country is USA. G is going on Skoda but not wearing blue colored shirt. G and the car is Skoda, and it is not wearing blue colored shirt. Blue is ruled out. Blue cannot be here. That means this person is not going to China. And next one, blue color shirt, and the one who is yellow color shirt is not going to Brazil. Now Brazil, the one who is going to Brazil is not using yellow color, not wore yellow color shirt. Now this is what the final information we have. Then ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఉండే ఈ విధంగా అరేంజ్ చేద్దాం. Now Japan, UK cannot be here, USA is here, Pakistan is here. Then next one, China is blue color, and China is blue color. Now blue cannot be here, hence China cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. Pakistan, hence China can be here. If China can be here or China can be here, there are 2 different possibilities. Now if China is here, and what is the color we have? Color is blue color. Now in this one also, if China is here, now the color is blue color. China blue color. China is blue color, that is finalized. Then next one, China blue color. Now 2 lakh person is going to South Africa. No. Now 2 lakh person is going to South Africa. This is 1878. Now 3 and 4 acres only. Now 3 and 4. 3 is going on duster and 4 is orange. Now 3 is going on duster, isn't it? And 3 is going 3 duster, not China. 4 orange. 4 lakh is orange. 3 and 4 must be here. 3 and 4, 2 lakhs is South Africa. Now 2 lakhs is South Africa. Now where can we have this South Africa? Can we have this South Africa here? Here 2 and pettukunte, this will be South Africa. and to South Africa, these two must be and China or China, and if it is Pakistan and UK, and what is the other state left over here? UK, and UK and Brazil are India kada మిగిలిపోయినాయి. ఇక్కడ UK కాదు కనుక ఇక్కడ China or UK. Now next China or UK, then this must be Brazil. As it is Brazil, now this person is not wearing yellow colored shirt. Now 2 lakh South Africa, Skoda is the answer. Now coming to this one, ikkada blue అయిపోయింది. Now green cannot be here. And coming to this one, cars, Toyota and Skoda were done. And next one, China is blue color, China blue color తీసేసుకున్నాం మనం. And next one, and 2 lakh South Africa అయిపోయింది. Ford white and UK. Now Ford white and but not UK అన్నారు. Now UK can be in these two places, hence Ford cannot be in these two places. And Ford is what? And Ford is white అన్నారు. And 4 lakh and 3 lakhs orange and duster. Now 3 lakh is duster but not to China, and 4 lakh is orange, and 4 lakh is orange. 4 lakh is orange అన్న. Now 21872 అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలింది అని చెప్పండి 3, 4 and 5. Now 3, 4 and 5 must be in these two places only, isn't it? 3 or 4, 3 or 4 and 5 must be in these three places. ఇక్కడ మనకి 3, 4, 5 రావాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది చెప్పండి, ఇక్కడ ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ డస్టర్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి 3 and 4. ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ డస్టర్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి Ford cannot be in these three places. Hence where should this Ford, and Ford and white must be together. Hence US is Ford and the color is white. And next one, 4 lakh is orange. Orange ముందు ఉంటుంది. Brazil is not yellow, and Brazil is not yellow. Then what are the other colors left out here? Blue ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. Next one, orange కూడా ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. Orange is 4 lakh. Orange is 4 lakh కాబట్టి this 4 lakh is with B, and B 4 lakh. Now what is the color we have? Orange, and as the color is orange here, then orange, Ford white but not UK, 4 lakh is orange, 3 lakh is duster to China. Now China ఇక్కడ ఉందంటే 3 lakh is duster to China. Now 3 lakh duster to China, 3 lakh duster to China. Now as 3 lakh duster to China, $3 lakh duster to China. Now 3 lakh duster to China అయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమైపోయింది చెప్పండి, China can be here. This can be 3 lakh. Now China 3 lakh and blue, and next one UK. Now these two. Now whatever this N and J, N is what? N and J. J is Jaguar, and Nissan and Jaguar cannot be in these two places, and Toyota, Ford and Skoda cannot be in these two places, isn't it? Then what is the other thing we have? And Ford white and duster and Brazil. Now what is the other thing left over here? BMW must be here, BMW. Now orange, blue, and next green cannot be here. What is the other color left over here? Red must be at this place. It's not red, that is already done. Red, black, white అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలింది అని చెప్పండి. Now yellow or green. Now the colors left over must be yellow or green. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఆరెంజ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ బ్లూ అండ్ yellow or green, yellow or green, ఇక్కడ కూడా yellow or green. ఒక yellow or green లో ఇక్కడ ఒకటి వస్తాయి, ఇంకోటి ఇక్కడ రావాలి, ఇంకోటి ఇక్కడ రావాలి. These are the different possibilities we have. Toyota, BMW, Ford and Skoda అయిపోయింది. Next one. Now what is the other thing left over here? And Jaguar, and now these two. Now if it is Jaguar and JRN, and here also JRN, and then if Jaguar and Nissan are these two, then what is the other thing left over here? And one more car is left over, and that car will be at this place. Hence these are the unknowns we have. ఇక్కడ ఒక unknown ఉండిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ ఒక unknown ఉండిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ ఒక unknown ఉండిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ ఒక, because all this is just because of, then D is going to be with one man, because all this is just because of some mismatch in the statement. Okay, this is the final arrangement. Then next one, question numbers 91 to 95. Now this 91 to 95 is based on what? It is based on coding and decoding. Good think strong results or not. Good think strong results is coded as. Now if you observe here the value of D and G, if you take the place values, G is 7, D is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, third letter is C. Now T and K, T is 20, K is 11, 20 minus 11, 9, ninth letter is I, and 19 and 7, 19 minus 7, 12th letter is L, and now here S and R, and 19 minus 18, that is one first letter is A. Clear now? That means the letter, how are you getting the letter? The letter is nothing but the difference between the place values of the first and the last letter. Next one, ikkada 4 letter word. 4 letter word ki at the rate of undi. Ikkada good ki at the rate of. 5 letter word ki dollar. 5 letter word dollar. And 6 letter word. 6 letter word is percentage. Percentage. And here 7 letter word. Now this 7 letter word is hash. Inka ikkada 5 letter word. 7, 4 and 6. Now here in this one 7, 5, 6 and 7, isn't it? 7. Next 5, 4, 7 and 5. Now all these are in each of the statements you are having only these 4 words. Next one, coming to this, ivi kuda ayipani symbol symbol. Coming to this number. Number ela vastundi cheppandi. No D. In the word good. Good lo D value anta cheppandi. The value of D is 4. How many letters are there? 4 letters. 4 plus 4 is 8. That means, how are you getting the number here? This number is nothing but last letter plus number of letters. Last letter plus number of letters in that word. Number of letters in the word. You could think, K value anta cheppandi 11. Any letters unnai 5. 11 plus 5, 16. Nanduku 16. G value is 7. Any letters unnai 6. 7 plus 6, 13. And results. Results enni unnai cheppandi 7. And 19. 19 plus 7, 26. And in the word mercy, YM 25. Any letters unnai 5. 25 plus 5, 7. And 7 plus 7, 14. Here E. E plus how much? E plus 5 plus 4, 9 and so on. This is how all these words are coded. What is the code for the word perfume? What is the code for the word perfume? Ante 7 letter word. 7 letter word em undali cheppandi? Hash undali. Then letter emotundi cheppandi? How are you getting the letter here? Now letter is nothing but D difference between the first and the last. 16 minus 7 and the 16 minus 5, 11. 11th letter is K. K hash. Then number E. E is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 5 plus 7 is so much? 12. And so K has 12, choice 3 is the answer, 91. Then 92 stone. Difference between these two. S and E. S and E anta avutundi cheppandi? S and E 19 minus 5, that is 14. 14th letter is N. Now 5 letter word, what is the symbol? Dollar. 5 letter word is dollar. Now the place value. E is 5, 5 plus 5, 10. N dollar 10, that is given in choice 5. Next flower. R and F, difference is L. Now see here 6 letter word, it is represented with percentage. Now the number 18. 18 plus 6, 24. L percentage 24. And the answer is L percentage 24, choice 4. And similarly to the word kind. Kind 4 letter word ante emosthundi cheppandi? At the rate of. 4 letter word at the rate of. And difference between K and D is 7. 7th letter is G. Now 4 plus 4, 8. G at the rate of 8, choice 2. And to this dream, M minus D. M minus D, 13 minus 4, 9. 9th letter I. And 5 letter word kabatti em cheyali cheppandi? 5 letter word dollar. Dollar. Now 13 plus 5, 18. I dollar 18. I dollar 18 is the answer. I dollar 18, choice 1, 95. Then coming to 96 to 100. Now in this question numbers 96 to 100, tell me how many persons are there? All together there are some. Cheppandi entamandi unnaru? 8 persons. Who are those 8 persons? ADHL, M, R, TZ. ADHL, MR, TZ are the persons who have and each one completed their studies in different states. All of them are seated around a circular table and discussing about the future. And some of them are not facing to the center enough. That means some of them are center, some of them are away. no man sitting opposite to a woman. No man sitting opposite to a woman means now men are opposite to each other, and men are opposite to each other. No men are opposite to each other. Next one, no man is opposite to a woman. Totally 3 generations and 3 couples in this family. 3 generations and 10 Japandi. Now 3 generations and 3 couples are there. As there are 3 couples in this one, 3 couples are. As 3 couples are there, 3 into 2, 6 persons got married, isn't it? And each couple should have at least 1 family and 1 child. Each person should have at least 1 child అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. ఈ 3 couples మనం సెపరేట్గా తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక కపుల్ ఉన్నారనుకుంటాం, ఈ కపుల్కి ఒక చైల్డ్ ఉన్నాడు, isn't it? దెన్ ఈ కపుల్కి ఒక చైల్డ్ ఉంటే ఒక్కొక్క కపుల్కి కపుల్ వైఫ్ అండ్ హస్బెండ్ 1 చైల్డ్ కనుక ఒక్కొక్క సెపరేట్గా తీసుకుంటే మనకు ఒక్కొక్క ఫ్యామిలీలో 3 + 3 + 3 9 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. కానీ మనకి ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? ఓన్లీ 8 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. హెన్స్ సెపరేట్గా ఉండే ఛాన్స్ అయితే లేదు. దట్ మీన్స్ 1 person మస్ట్ బి కామన్. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ 1 couple, the first generation couple should have 2 children, and those 2 children will get married, isn't it? And at the same time each one of them, this is the final family. So only 3 generations, first generation, second generation, third generation, 1 2 3 3 couples. Each couple should have at least 1 child. Okay, and totally 3 generations and 3 couples in this family. Each couple have at least 1 child. Persons who are facing outside are not sitting each other, are not sitting each other and not sitting opposite to each. No woman is sitting between men and men. Now this is what the information we have. Now altogether how many persons we have? 8 persons are seated around a circular table. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 8 persons are seated around a circular table. Person who studied in China is the daughter of the one who is the brother of the one who is the husband of Z. And the meaning in Japanese. Now Z's husband's brother's daughter is China. That means Z is there and Z's husband is there. Z's husband means Z is a female. Now this Z's husband's brother is there. Now that brother's child and brother's daughter. Now that brother's daughter is the person who studied in China. That means this person I am talking about. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, చైనాలో చదువుతున్న వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా, చైనా ఈజ్ ద డాటర్ ఆఫ్, ఎవరికి డాటర్ ఈమె? ద వన్ హూ ఇస్ ద బ్రదర్ ఆఫ్ ద వన్ హూ ఇస్ ద హస్బెండ్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్. జెడ్కి హస్బెండ్కి బ్రదర్కి డాటర్ చైనాలో చదివింది అన్నాడు. అండ్ డి ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు హిస్ బ్రదర్ అన్నాడు. D is sitting opposite to his brother, isn't it? Now D and H are brothers. Now D and H are brothers అంటే D and H ఎక్కడ మనకి బ్రదర్స్ రావాలి చెప్పండి? 2 siblings ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఇక్కడే ఉంది కనుక DRH and DRH. Now these 2 persons are what? Brothers to each other. ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 brothers వస్తున్నారు, అవునా కదా? 2 brothers కాబట్టి Z, DRH and this person, DRH and DRH. Now these 2 persons are children కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమైపోవాలి చెప్పండి? Here there must be a couple. 1 couple should be there. And D is sitting opposite his brother. His brother కాబట్టి D is a male and his brother is also male. Now who is studied in Taiwan? Now who studied in Taiwan? And D's brother studied in Taiwan. D's brother అంటే ఎవరు? H studied in Taiwan. H studied in Taiwan. సరిపోయిందండి? H studied in Taiwan. H is a male. No sir. Now the last information ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి. H is facing away from the center అన్నాడు. And he is the father of L. H is away from the center and studied. H is away from the center. D is sitting opposite his brother అన్నాడు. D is sitting opposite his brother అన్నాడు. And H is opposite and H is facing away from the center కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ D ని H ని మనం ఫిక్స్ చేయొచ్చా? D ఇక్కడ H, D and H. Now this H is facing away from the center. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? D is sitting opposite his brother. And who is studied in Taiwan? His brother studied in Taiwan. H studied in Taiwan. H studied in Taiwan. One who completed studies in China seated second to the right of D. Second to the right of D, and one of them is facing away from the center. One of them is facing away from the center. Inko information ichcharu. Now two persons who are away from each other are not facing each other. Persons who are facing outside are not sitting each other and not opposite to each other. Now as H is away from the center, D mali away from the center undukodu. Hence D must be towards the center. Ante kada? D is towards the center. If D is towards the center, then one who studies in China seated second to the right of D. Second to the right of D ante China. China, and who is that person? That person is a female. Ante kada? Daughter of this DRH. And immediate right of the one who studied in Taiwan. Taiwan is the mother to him. Immediate right and immediate right of the one ante itupakka mother. Isn't it? Mother of this person. Mother of this person ante this person. Immediate right of the one who studied in Taiwan is the mother to him, but she does not belong to Oman. Now this mother does not belong to Oman. Okay, Oman. H is the husband of the one. H is the husband of whom? The one who belongs to. H is the husband of the one who is the daughter-in-law of a person who studies in Italy. Daughter-in-law. H is the husband of the person who is the daughter-in-law of the person who is the husband of Italy. Italy lo chadukunna varu. Kanaki Italy ekkada unnaru cheppandi. Italy must be in the first group. Italy must be in the daughter-in-law. This person is the daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law of whom? Daughter-in-law of the person who studied in Italy. H is the husband. H is the husband of the one who is the daughter-in-law of a person who studies in Italy. And hence the person who studied in Italy is either the father-in-law or mother-in-law of this H's wife. One who belongs to Bhutan is sitting to the immediate left of the one who is the daughter-in-law of his grandfather. One who belongs to Bhutan is sitting to the immediate left of the one who is the daughter-in-law of his grandfather. His grandfather ante there is a grandfather. Isn't it? He isn't a male. Now this person is Bhutan. And one of the immediate neighbor of the one who belongs to Laos is facing away from the center. M is the sister-in-law of the one who studied in Malta. Sister-in-law ikkada vache chance ekkada undi cheppandi? No. ఈ DRH కి Z sister-in-law. ఈ DRH కి ఈమె sister-in-law. Kanaka M is the sister-in-law. M is the sister-in-law of the one who studied in Laos, in Malta. And this person must be Malta. And if this person is Malta, this person must be, ఈ person ఏమని చెప్పండి? This person must be Taiwan. As this person is Taiwan who studied in Taiwan, H studies in Taiwan. ఇక్కడ మనకి అరేంజ్మెంట్ వచ్చేసి. నా ఇక్కడ H రావాలి, ఇక్కడ D రావాలి. Now D and Z are married couple and H and M are married couple. H is here, D is here. సరిపోయిందండి? D and H. Z and D, H and M. Next one. One of the immediate neighbors of the one who belongs to Laos is facing away from the center. M is the sister-in-law of the one who studies in Malta. Malta, M is the sister-in-law. T is sitting immediate right of the one who studied in China. Immediate right of the one who studied in China. Isn't it? And immediate right of the one who studies in China. Now this person China immediate right ikkada undachu or ikkada undachu. And he is the grandson of the one. H is away from the center and he is the father of L. H is the father of L. H is the father of L. L must be here. L is the daughter and that person studied in China. And H is R studied in Bhutan. R studied in Bhutan. T is sitting to the immediate right of China. T is to the immediate right of China. R studied in Bhutan and is the grandson of the one who studied in Oman. Now grandson of the one who studied in Oman and Oman ikkada kaadu kabatti the grandfather studied in Oman and the grandmother studied in Italy. Oman, Italy, Malta, Taiwan were done. Next one, H is facing away and is the father of L. M is not the neighbor of either H or the one who studied in Malta and studied in Laos. M studied in Laos. And this M is not the neighbor of H and the one who studied in Malta. Who studied in Malta? D. And M is not an immediate neighbor of D, H and D. కనుక M ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు, ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఉండకూడదు. Hence M must be here. M is here and this person is in Laos, studied in Laos. And this person is a female. M is a female. Clear? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏమని చెప్పండి. Now this is what the information we have. Now T is sitting to the immediate right of the one who studied in China. Who studied in China, this is what the information we have. Now see here. Person who studied in China is the daughter of the one who is a brother of the one who is husband of Z. D is sitting opposite to his brother who studied in Taiwan. D is a brother of the one and his brother studied in Taiwan. One who completed studies in China seated second to the right of D. Right of D, and one of them is away from the center. Ikkada information. One of them is away from the center అంటే వీళ్ళిద్దరిలో one of them. అందులో D ఏమో towards the center కాబట్టి L is away from the center. If L is away from the center, T is sitting to the immediate right of China. Hence T must be at this place. Okay, T is to the immediate right of China. Now, sir, one who completed studies in China sits second, and immediate right of the one who studied in Taiwan is the mother of him. Immediate right of this is the mother. Mother ఎవరు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి. Now Z, D, H, M, L, R అయిపోయారు. A or T is the mother. T is here, hence A must be here. A is the mother, A is a female. A is the mother. If A is the mother, tell me who is the person after here? T is the male. Now this is what the information we have regarding the family tree. Oh, T, grandfather, A, grandmother, Oman, Italy, and their children are D and H are the sons. D studied in Malta, married to Z, a female, and H, Taiwan, studied in Taiwan, married to M, studied in Laos. H and M daughter is L, L studied in China, and Z and his son is R studied in Bhutan. Now, ఇప్పుడు arrangementలోకి వద్దాం. Now one who studied, immediate right of the one who studied in Taiwan is the mother of M, but she does not belong to woman. H is the husband of the one. One who is the daughter of the person who studied in Italy. One who belongs to Bhutan. ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇంతకుముందు తీసుకోలేదు. One who belongs to Bhutan అంటే ఎవరు? R. One who belongs to Bhutan is sitting to the immediate left of the one who is the daughter-in-law of his grandfather. His grandfather's daughter-in-law అంటే Z అయినా M అయినా. వాళ్ళిద్దరికి ఇమ్మీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్లో R ఉన్నాడు. కనుక Z R M ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాడు చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడైనా ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడైనా ఉండాలి. అవునా కదా? M ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి Z and R can be either here or R can be here. R Z. Done? No, sir. One of the immediate neighbors of the one who belongs to Laos, that is M, is facing away from the center. One of the immediate neighbor of the one who belongs to Laos is facing away from the center. And వీళ్ళిద్దరిలో ఒకరైతే away from the center ఉన్నారు. అందులో ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు away from the center ఉండకూడదు. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఈ పక్క వాళ్ళిద్దరు away from the center not possible. కనుక వీళ్ళిద్దరు towards the center. కాబట్టి this person is away from the center. And if this person is away from the center, then one who belongs to Bhutan is sitting to the immediate left of the daughter-in-law of his grandfather. M కి immediate left లో R ఉండాలి. immediate left లో R అంటే M మనకి ఇన్వర్డ్ అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉండకూడదు. అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉంటే పక్క వాళ్ళ అవుట్వర్డ్. హెన్స్ M is here facing the center. M facing the center and R is here. If R is here, Z will be here. Find arrangement అయిపోయిందండి. Z, D, M, R, H, A, L, T. Now Z is what? Z is a female. And D is a male. And R is what? R is a male. H is a male. A is a female. L is a female. And T is a male. Now coming to this one. No man sitting opposite to a woman అన్నారు. No man sitting opposite to a woman కాబట్టి వీళ్ళిద్దరు men are opposite to each other. Now these two men are opposite to each other. Isn't it? No man is sitting opposite to a woman. And next one. Totally 3 generations. Persons who are facing outside are not facing each other. Outside ఎవరున్నారు చెప్పండి. These persons are not facing each other and they are not opposite to each other. No man sitting between men అన్నారు. no men sitting between men. All the given information is valid. Now this T, now this person is away from the center gravity, T must be towards the center. Clear? Now this is the final arrangement. Question numbers 96 to 100. Clear now?